All right, here is a video from chapter 6 again for 7th grade. We're going to rewrite or write these expressions, turn them into an algebraic expression, one using parentheses and one without parentheses. So this gets to the distributive property, which gives a lot of students trouble. So I'm not surprised this video came up. So thank you for whoever requested this one. It's saying a number reduced by 3, then that multiplied by 2. So I'm just going to say that x is my number, and I'm going to reduce it by 3, and then all of that is going to be multiplied by 2. I personally like to put the 2 in the front, so we're going to have it look like that. So that's one of the expressions. The other way to write that then would be to say that we have x minus 3 2 times, so 2 of those. So that means I have 2 x's and 2 minus 3's. So instead of minus 3, I could put minus 6. So those are the two equivalent algebraic expressions. For b, so I've got a number increased by 7. So again, there's my number. There is it being increased by 7. And I'm going to take that and multiply it by 5. So the equivalent expression to that is, well, I have 5 of these things. So that means I have 5 x's, and I'm just using the distributive property here. Say if I have 5 of all of this, that means I have 5 x's, and I have 5 7's, which is 35. Here for this one, I have 10 times a number, then add 20. So I have 10 times a number, so 10 x's, plus 20. And I'm going to say, how many groups can I make out of this? How many equal groups can I make? Well, I have 10 x's and I have 21's. So that means that I can make 10 groups. I can put each x into a different group. So I have 10 groups. And if I do that, every group would have just one x in it. And if I took those 20 things and divided them between those 10 groups, I would have 2 per group. So it's going backwards. Here I multiplied everything by 5 to get this expression. Here I'm thinking, what can I divide both of those by? What's the greatest common factor? That's what this is. This is the GCF, the greatest common factor of 10 and 20. I knew that they both could be divided into 10 equal groups. This would be 1 x in each group, and that would be 2 1's. So there you go. There are the expressions.